In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Squarespace. If you've been looking for a simple way to display information in rows and columns on your Squarespace site, this method is a practical option. We'll be using a code block, which gives you a flexible way to insert a table layout exactly where you want it on the page. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your Squarespace page in editing mode and find the section where you want the table to appear. Once you're in the right area, click on Add Block. This opens the block menu where you can choose different types of content to insert into your page. Next, in the block search field, type code. This helps narrow down the available options so you can quickly find the correct block without scrolling through the full list. If you're working on a busy page with lots of elements, using the search bar can save time and make the process smoother. When the results appear, click on Code. This adds a code block to your page. A code block is useful when you want to insert custom HTML, and in this case, that's what allows you to create a table structure manually. This is especially helpful if you need more control over formatting than a standard text block can provide. After the code block is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. The pencil icon opens the editor for that block, where you can enter or update the code that will generate the table on your page. Make sure you're editing the correct block before moving on, especially if your page has multiple blocks close together. Now, paste the code into the editor. This code should contain the table structure you want to use, including the rows, columns, and any headings. Once it's pasted in, take a moment to review it for spacing or formatting issues. Even a small mistake in the code can affect how the table displays, so it's worth checking before saving. After that, you can save your changes and preview the page to make sure the table appears the way you expect. If needed, you can go back into the code block and refine the content or layout until everything looks right. That's all it takes to create a table in Squarespace using a code block. Once you've done it once, the process becomes much faster, and you can reuse the same approach anytime you need to organize the information clearly on your site.